Hello, good day everyone. This is our project proposal, oral defense video. I am Rob Denzel Suliguin from Team Makabayan, and with my teammates Mr. Abdul Macabago, Mr. Byron Chio de Ocampo, Miss Pamela Shin Sumagi, Miss Chelsea Moran, Miss Riza Yabut, and Miss Stephanie Jane Ariate. And we are here to present our project proposal entitled PL-EANING a Vacant Lot, short for Planting and Cleaning a Vacant Lot.
The PL-EANING project is a clean and green type of project activity that focuses on planting and cleaning a vacant lot to lessen the chances of sickness and diseases that arise from under-maintained environment.
Since the pandemic occurred way back 2019, we are not allowed to go outside, or the number of people is limited to go outside in order for us to lessen the number of COVID cases. We are also limited to the community services, and the tendency of that is our environment is being neglected and we people are focused on cleaning just inside of our houses. And community activities and services in the barangays, provinces, and cities are postponed. That is why some places are abandoned and people are unable to clean it due to the pandemic. Therefore, the problems when it comes to the growth of number of insects, germs, and bacteria and other microbial organisms increases, in which causes people to get sick and have illnesses. And so, as a result of realization of our group, we make this project proposal called PL-EANING in order to lessen these problems that harm people. We conduct this planting and cleaning program to help our fellow citizens to prevent the risk of getting illnesses from this unclean environment, as well as for its betterment, especially making it be a green, clean community.
I am going to discuss the objectives of our project. Our project is about planting and cleaning a vacant lot, which will be cleaning a vacant lot and plant new plants in it. And that is our main objective. But also, we have some underlying objective for this project. First is to perform community service. This project isn't only focused on the vacant lot, but is also focused on the community itself. Even though it is just a lot, if it is full of trash, it could affect the health of all the people in the community. Planting it can help the community to have more fresh and breathable air. Second is to have a healthy environment. Planting plants in a vacant lot will help the environment become healthy because of the plants that will produce cleaner air for the community. Third or last is to show the people to appreciate the environment after showing them the big changes of our project to their community. It will lead for them to learn to appreciate the environment they are living. These are just some of the objectives and possible effects of our project for the people in the community.
The first part of the method is to orient the volunteers for the project, where the head of the activity will orient the volunteers what to do. Number 2 is the implementation of the project. In this part, the actual planting and cleaning will be done in a vacant lot at Barangay Mangbang, Nagcarlan, Laguna. Number 3, volunteers appreciation. Team Makabayan will provide or give the volunteers some food, drinks, and simple token to appreciate the presence and effort of the volunteers. And lastly, to evaluate the project. The project will be evaluated by the volunteers to assess whether the project meets the objectives or not.
The Barangay Bangbang, Nagcarlan, Laguna has an estimated population of 2,500, and my group decided to do this project since it is an old Meralco and no one lives there. And we also find out that the accumulated trash there is one of the main reasons why people having a dengue fever. Year 2018, some of the citizens here was affected by dengue and 2 people died. The barangay captain did some action to prevent this, but it seems that the mosquitoes is still there. To make some help or action, our group implemented cleaning. Cleaning means planning and cleaning. So with this, we can help the people who live near this place, and we may also motivate and enlighten them that protecting and loving nature is very important. So this is the reason why we conduct this project proposal to this location.
For the budget on this cleaning project, our target budget is 1,500 pesos that we're gonna collect from the local government so that we will be able to meet our expenses. So the expenses are the foods and drinks for the 50 volunteers that cost 920 pesos. The materials in making infographics in order to convince people to participate for this community project is cost 210 pesos. Then seeds for planting that cost 160 pesos. And printed letter of intent that cost 20 pesos. Overall, the total amount of our expenses is 1,310 pesos. We did not include cleaning materials such as broom, dustpan, etc. because we can provide it.
So after discussing the important details earlier, now we want to reflect. Number 1. With the combined effort of each member, we have planned a community project that is very beneficial, especially to our target location, as it targets the community-specific problem. Number 2. It is always a win-win situation every time we volunteer to our community. It helps to the development of the community, and it develops ourselves, our personality, our characteristic, and make us an established person. Number 3. The project may be simple, but the impact is very big, especially that we are aiding a health and environmental issue. Number 4. The volunteers will gain lifelong experiences and knowledge since the cleaning project is a community service learning project. Last but not the least, number 5. The sense of volunteerism will spread across the community as they will be inspired in our initiative to the community itself. And this ends our oral defense presentation. Hopefully, we explain and discuss the important details that we want to share with you, especially in giving you background, highlights, and our goals in our cleaning project. Stay safe, everyone, and ignite the spirit of volunteerism. Thank you for watching our video.